Hello friends, today I want to talk about the best remedy for dry, wrinkled hands as well as skin in general. Well, I recently found some updated information on this that I want to share with you, which I think you'll be quite excited about. The problem with most moisturizers is that people keep putting them on their hands and their face, and of course the next day, the effect is gone. They have to keep doing it over and over. If you examine the labels on popular moisturizers, you'll notice that many contain alcohol. Alcohol dries and dehydrates your skin. And I don't think people realize that when they put lotion on their hands or face, it gets absorbed, goes into the bloodstream, and then ends up in your liver. There are a lot of different natural remedies for dry skin that you can use, such as vitamin E, coconut oil, and tallow. However, what I want to talk about today is something a little different. Hyaluronic acid stands out as a superior solution for dry skin. As we age, the natural levels of hyaluronic acid in our bodies decline. This reduction becomes noticeable around the age of 40 and continues progressively. By the time you reach 80, you might have lost up to 80% of your hyaluronic acid, which is one of the reasons for drying your skin. An extreme example of this is the condition known as progeria. Children with progeria lose hyaluronic acid at a rate 20 times higher than normal, resulting in premature aging. This condition shows why and how hyaluronic acid is vital for youthful skin. Given the depletion of hyaluronic acid with age, it is possible to solve the problem of dryness and wrinkles with supplementation. There are several ways to supplement hyaluronic acid. Number 1. Injections. Some clinics offer hyaluronic acid injections directly into the skin. This method can provide immediate and noticeable results. Number 2. Topical application. Applying hyaluronic acid directly to the skin is a popular method. However, the public must ensure they are purchasing the right products because alcohol can be detrimental to the process. Number 3. Oral supplements. Contrary to some beliefs, oral consumption of hyaluronic acid can be effective. While the absorption rate is relatively low, around 2.5%, it is sufficient to make a difference over time. It is good to note that although hyaluronic acids are useful, supplementation should be taken with lots of caution. I had a friend who once thought it wise to take an over-the-top dosage of hyaluronic acid 3,000 or 4,000 milligrams per day on average. Due to its water-retentive properties, this excessive intake led to severe problems, including swelling and blockage within his body. Ultimately, he had to resort to drinking brandy to dissolve the excess gel. To avoid such issues, it is recommended to take smaller, more manageable doses. For the average person, 200 milligrams per day is sufficient to see benefits without risking adverse effects. You can also take special advice from a dermatologist. Anyway, if you want to add hyaluronic acid to your skincare routine, here are some helpful tips. Choose a hyaluronic acid serum that is free from alcohol. Wet your hands slightly, apply a few drops of the serum, and rub it into your skin. This can be done once or twice a day for optimal hydration. Facial use. Follow the same procedure for your face. Apply the serum after washing your face with water to increase absorption and hydration. Dietary intake. Consider oral supplements, but stick to recommended doses. Also, consider including foods that naturally contain hyaluronic acid or help boost its production, like bone broth, leafy greens, and soy-based products. Also, you should know several other important tips. For example, balanced diet. Eating nutrient-dense foods is fundamental. A healthy version of the ketogenic diet, rich in vitamins and minerals, can support overall skin health. Hydration. Drink plenty of water to keep your skin hydrated from the inside out. Sun protection. Protect your skin from excessive sun exposure, which can degrade hyaluronic acid and other essential components of healthy skin. Healthy lifestyle. Regular exercise, adequate sleep, and stress management all contribute to better skin health. Thus, it is advisable to use a gel containing hyaluronic acid, maintain a proper diet, and live a healthy lifestyle, which can positively affect the overall condition of skin. However, people must remember that supplementation should be done prudently, and it is important to adhere to recommended quantities to avoid side effects. With these ideas, one can be able to have good and young skin, which you can eliminate the dry and wrinkled hands. Hope you liked today's video. Subscribe the channel for next helpful videos.